पूरे मामले को देखकर जिस तरह से लिंक हो रहा है आफरीन फातिमा के थ्रू, क्या एक्टिविस्टों में किसी तरह का डर हुआ है कि अब इस तरह की कार्रवाई उनको लेकर टारगेट की जाएगी क्या?
You are asking that if I am fear,
हाँ.
that is because they are targeting activists.
Activists.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
They are connected to Afrin Fatima.
Yeah, but we can see that in UP, even before the Afrin Fatima's incident, we can see that UP government has been targeting the Muslims in the UP. They were demolishing, they were bulldozing the Muslims' homes in UP even before that. But now their strategy changed. Now they want to target the Muslims activists, Muslim youth, or who were protesting, or who is the vocal of India. So that is why they were targeting Afrin Fatima's house. They wanted to make us fear, or they wanted to give the message to the whole activists or all leaders or students of the Muslim community that if you will do these kind of things, or if you will raise your voice against this, next will be you. That message they want to do that. But I want to say clearly that we can see how Afrin Fatima is responding, that she is very brave. So I want to say that we were not affected at all. We were not fear at all by this kind of thing. Only this kind of things is making us stronger, or making us stronger to raise our voice against this injustice. Or this kind of incidents are making us realize that we are just in this world. We are just for the moment only. So we are not permanent in this world. So we can do bravely these kinds of things, or we can do bravely to fight against this injustice and against this Hindutva regime. So we are not fear at all. We got stronger.
अग्नि योजना जो स्कीम निकाली है गवर्नमेंट ने, उसको लेकर आज काफ़ी हंगामा हो रहा है देश भर में. यू आर गेटिंग माई हिंदी?
हाँ, I'm getting, but
ओके.
बात करने.
हाँ, उसको लेकर किस तरह देखती हैं? पिछला इंसिडेंट जिस तरह मुसलमानों के साथ हुआ है, और ये इंसिडेंट आज जो हो रहा है देश भर में, उसी तरह का
फॉलो नहीं किया ना. आज हो रहा है न्यूज़ फॉलो नहीं किया. I just saw the incident only. I just saw the news only. मैं फॉलो नहीं किया.
कमेंट आप कर सकते हो कुछ?
नहीं, मैं प्रॉपर फॉलो नहीं की.
प्रॉपर
मुझे कमेंट करने की
फॉलो नहीं किया.
हाँ, आई हैव टू बी सिंसियर.
आफरीन फातिमा के चीज़ों को आप बता सकती हैं कि उस दिन उनके साथ आपकी कम्युनिकेशन हुआ था उनके साथ, उनका क्या रिएक्शन था?
हुआ like before after the arrest of her father, before taking her mom and sister, I contacted her and she said that yeah, they took my father and I will update you if anything will happen after that. So that was the last conversation actually we had directly, and after that we got the information that they took her mom and sister and like that, and they came again for the Afrin Fatima itself, and she refused that. So I contacted her. I know that now she is stronger. She accepted that, and she knows that this is the life of an activist, and we have to fight and stronger like that. I'm not fear, or I'm not worried about Afrin, because I know that she is such a brave girl.
कोई प्रोटेस्ट होने जाएगा इसके बाद?
Of course, we will not stop, because street is our only hope. Street is our only hope. Even when that CA protest was happened, we have experienced, or we have realized that street is our only hope. So in this case, in hijab ban also, we realized that street is our only hope. In this case also, we are saying clearly that street is our hope. We will be on the street until we get the justice.
जस्टिस को लेकर होप है, होगा कुछ जस्टिस मिल पाएगा?
We have to wait for the Supreme Court decision on that, Supreme Court verdict on that. But when we heard, before coming here, we heard that Supreme Court has been saying a comment like it should be happened by legal, by the law. So
what you feel? Just don't be diplomatic.
I feel like what we are expecting from the Supreme Court as a citizen of India, to ban this dehumanizing Muslim, or to ban the demolishing or bulldozing the Muslims. So that we are expecting from the respected Supreme Court. So I believe that, or I hope, I just expecting that the Supreme Court will ban this bulldozing the Muslims' home in UP or in any other state, and arresting the innocent Muslims youth, and justice to the Afrin Fatimas along with others whose house has been demolishing. That we are expecting from the Supreme Court. that is the only thing we can do. Like as a citizen of here, we can't say that nothing is there or nothing is left for us in Muslims, because we are also citizens here. We have to expect that. That is our right to get that judgment or that verdict.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.